believe it was our most horrible yet. Thank you, everyone. Not all, Mayor. Thank you very much. Yeah, I guess so. Just like last year, and the year before that, and the year before that. No, Zero, not now. I'm not in the mood. All right. Here you go, boy. Where are we? It's someplace new. What is this? Call a town meeting and I'll tell everyone all about it immediately. Listen, everyone. I want to tell you all about Christmas Town. There's got to be a logical way to explain this Christmas thing. Hello? Doctor, I need to borrow some equipment. I'm conducting a series of experiments. I know. Interesting reaction. But what does it mean? Eureka! This year, Christmas will be ours! Perhaps it can be improved then? I knew it! Doctor, thank you for coming. We need some of these. No! How jolly! Halloween's finest trick-or-treaters. The job I have for you is top secret. It requires craft, cunning, mischief. Absolutely no one is to know about this. Not a soul. Now, first you go into the forest, and you see a tree. Christmas Town. And one more thing. Leave that no account Oogie Boogie out of this. It goes something like this. How about it? Think you can manage? Fantastic! Now why don't we practice on all that and we'll be in great shape. Sally, I need your help more than anyone's. That's splendid. That's not my Christmas. My Christmas is filled with joy and laughter. And this, my Santa Claus outfit. I want you to make it. How could it be? Just follow the pattern. This part's red. The trim is white. Now don't be modest. Who else is clever enough to make my Santa Claus outfit? I have every confidence in you. This device is called a nutcracker. Perfect! Open it up quickly. That's not Santa Claus. Not Santa Claus! Take him back! Which door? There's more than one. Santa Claus is behind a door shaped like this. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Take him home first and apologize again. Be careful with Santa Claus when you fetch him. Treat him nicely. Isn't that wonderful? It couldn't be more wonderful. Not anymore, and I feel so much better now. Ow! You're right, something is missing. But what? I've got the beard, the coat, the boots. Santa Claus in person. What a pleasure to meet you. Why you have hands? You don't have claws at all. Surprised, aren't you? I knew you would be. You don't need to worry about Christmas this year. Consider this a vacation, Sandy. A reward. It's your turn to take it easy. See that he's comfortable? Just a second, fellas. Of course! That's what I'm missing. Thanks. Oh no! We can't take off in this. The reindeer can't see an inch in front of their noses. There goes all my hopes, my precious plans, my glorious dreams. No, Zero. Down, boy. My, what a brilliant nose you have. The better to light my way! To the head of the team, Zero! We're off! Ooh. Merry Christmas! What's your name? That's all right. I'm giving this to you anyway. Here you go, Sonny. Ooh. Thank you, one and all. Look, Zero! Searchlights! They're celebrating! They're thanking us for doing such a wonderful job! Who's next on my list? Little Harry and Jordan. Won't they be surprised? Ooh, careful down there. You almost hit us. It's okay, Zero. Head higher! They're trying to hit us! Zero! Merry Christmas all, and to all good night. Come on, Zero! Christmas isn't over yet. Hello, Oogie. How dare you treat my friend so shamefully! Forgive me, Mr. Claus. I believe I made a terrible mess of your holiday. I hope there's still time. How'd you get down here, Sally? Sally, I can't believe this whole time I never realized you